Hey guys. Hey, what are you guys doing? Okay, so it's a little dark in here. Hey. Let's see. Alright, let's see who we got here. We have the Blue Point male. And we have, you've already got a home, little one? What you doing? Hi. Okay, and then we have the blue and the Seal Point male. And then we've got the Tordy Point girl. And then we've got, I thought she was a Tordy Point, but she seems to be turning into a Blue Cream as well. So there's that one. You guys gonna wake up? And then where's the other Blue Cream girl? Hello, little Seal Point boy, but you have a home already. Okay. There's you. I apologize because it's dark outside that the colors aren't as good. Okay, and then we have, hi Maya. Hi Maya. Hi. Okay, okay, she's over here. Come here, you. Come here, you. This is the Blue Cream girl. Hi. Hello. How are you? Cooper, leave her alone. Hi. You're so social. Hello. Are you going to talk? Hey, pretty girl. Hello. Your ears are all wet from being licked by the dog. Cooper, leave her, please. Okay, you. Come here. She's going to go see her mommy. Come here, Sophie. She was an escapee artist. You know what? I'm going to turn on some more lights and